What's up, girl? Today I'm going to show you how I did this Barbie ponytail on myself. This is actually the first time I actually ever did a super sleek ponytail, even though it's not that sleek. I kind of had this ponytail in for a couple days, not gonna lie. And I got caught in the rain today, so I don't know if it's still like straight like it's supposed to be, but I feel like it's still cute. I literally had to take a break from the wig installs, but before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But anyways, now let's jump straight into the, it's not really a tutorial, it's just me showing you how I did my ponytail, okay? Let's jump into it. Y'all, I'm tired of blow drying. I'm about to go ahead and finish blow drying this middle section, and then I'm gonna come back after my hair is like flat ironed, and then we're gonna get into it. I'm done blow drying my hair, and I'm hot as right now. My flat irons are heating up, y'all. Actually, they all the way hot, baby. You can feel that heat. I'm about to go through my hair. I'm not gonna do a silk press or anything like that, baby. We're gonna do big chunks. Like what? But I'm gonna make sure I get my roots really good. All right, y'all. So my hair is fully flat ironed. I tried my best to really get those roots really good. I'm actually gonna just be using these two products to mold my hair down. This braiding gel and then some Fantasia spray. I was almost out of this Fantasia spray and I ended up pouring some spritz in here, so that's kind of like mixed together. Hopefully this don't make my hair curl up. I thought about using Got To Be gel, but I'm like, no, I can't use no type of gel. I feel like it's gonna curl my hair up. So anyways, we're gonna do like a double mold, right? So let me, hold on, where's my comb? I don't know if it's a complete circle, but this is what I meant by just sectioning it off. I'm going to mold up the middle first, and then I'm going to go back and mold up the second part. This is the middle molded up, y'all. I'm tired. My arms hurt. But I molded up the middle. I just need to mold up this now, and we're going to be ready to go, baby. I wish I had some beeswax, because it'll be like a little stronger, but girl, do you see the vision? It's going to come out so tea. My arms hurt. I need a break, though. I'll be back. Before I what is it called? Before I mold up the next section, I'm actually gonna pull out my edges real quick because I don't want to forget to do that, okay? I sectioned out the baby hairs that I want. I'm hoping that they even because I don't know. Oh, let me turn this music down. So now I'm about to go ahead and mold up the second section because my edges are now sectioned out. I'm hoping that I hope I made my edges equal. Like I told y'all, I'm using this, and this is what I braid with. Love it, okay? I highly recommend it. It's so freaking good. Like, it gets that hair really where it needs to be. And it doesn't really turn greasy either. Ooh, not me almost brushing up my baby hair. It doesn't turn greasy. Not me sounding like a commercial. Girl, they is not sponsoring me. But anyways, I do not want my ponytail to be really tight, not gonna lie, because I don't like that feeling. I do not like tension at all. So I'm gonna try my best to get it sleek, but not really super tight, if you know what I mean. And as you can see, I don't have a brush. Girl, a white girl brush would be so perfect right now, but all I have is this rat tail comb. It'll do. Okay. Woo. I actually hate doing ponytails, but this one feel like it's gonna come out. Oh my gosh, do you see the vision? Y'all, I'm gonna mold this up and then I'm gonna come back because I need to listen to music to do this. This is as sleek as I'm gonna get this ponytail. I kind of give up, and plus I don't want it to be like super duper tight, you feel me? So I'm gonna try to, yeah. This is as tight as I'm going to allow it to get. You know, let me blow dry it. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit, and then I'm going to start putting the hair extensions on. Period. That's my favorite part. And y'all, and then I'm gonna take this smaller one and put it around the like base of the ponytail. Because you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna try to, wait, how could I do it? Because I feel like, okay, we're just gonna do it like that, yeah. And then tie it, yeah. I hope it don't come off because I want to tie it really tight. I feel like it's slipping already. No, I want it to be, hold on. It's not sitting in the right spot. I want it to sit like right there. Okay. Okay, maybe that'll work, yeah. And then we're just gonna tie it like boom, really tight. And I'm gonna let this sit, y'all. Let's get to this ponytail, baby. Let's get to this ponytail. Okay. I'm gonna actually braid my real hair into a little braid because I'm gonna do this glueless style. I don't want to put any glue. Girl, I don't know how to glue tracks. I feel like if I did that, the glue would be every freaking where. So I'm just gonna braid my real hair. Whew, my arms are tired. What the hell? So I'm just gonna braid my real hair. And then just put a rubber band on the ends because the ends of my hair is really bluntly cut. Okay, girl. I went and found some bundles in my hair bin. Okay. We're going to have to dig through this and find the best pieces. Okay. All right. Look, it don't feel as bad as it look, okay? But I'm about to really eat it up. Ooh, I'm finna eat it up. Got a dilemma. I can't find my needle. I got all this thread and can't find a needle. Hold on. One got to be in here somewhere. This is the part where I struggle to get the thread through the needle. It's going to take me a minute. I'm going to be right back. I got the thread through the motherfucking needle. All right, let's get started. So this is the bundle I'm going to start with. Not sure how long it is, but that doesn't matter because the way I'm going to wrap it around my ponytail is going to be long. So I'm going to take I'm taking the track and I'm literally going to start it here. Let me see. Do I want my ponytail longer than that? Damn. Okay, whatever. So like I told y'all, I'm doing this ponytail using no glue. I'm literally just taking the track, wrapping it around like this. Hold on, let me make sure the thread is not, okay. So I'm literally just taking the track, wrapping it around the ponytail. And you can wrap it a few times. Just make sure you hold it tightly. And then I'm going to sew it. Like, you don't even have to sew every single time you wrap it around. Just make sure when you do stop to sew it, just sew it tightly. Ooh, the thread keep pulling on my freaking earring. So aggravating. Okay. So just pull the thread through. Make sure you pull it tight, y'all. You do not want your ponytail to be able to be yanked out or some shit. Like, that's unfortunate. It would be so unfortunate for your ponytail to just fly off while you out in public. So just make sure that you sew it on really well. And like I said, I just personally didn't want to use the glue method because I don't want no glue on my hair. And I know it would have been glue all on my hair, so no. And I'm just going to wrap this all the way until I get to the top of my braid. And then I'm going to come back when I'm done with that part. I need to add some more hair because it feels kind of thin. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. I had to go back and I added in more hair. So basically, this is like a full bundle. At first, I used like half of a bundle. And then I went back and used another bundle because it just felt too thin. Like, it looks natural, and I like the natural look. I was going for a natural look. I didn't want like a super thick ass ponytail. But it's even cuter now. I added a bundle, and then I had jumped on TikTok, right? And it was like, oh, it's kind of leaning to the left. So I tried my best to like put it in the middle and center it or whatever. But I don't know if it's centered now. But girl, I love it. Like, I had to take a break from the wigs. Okay, and well, I still love a good wig. Don't get me wrong. I'm probably going to put on a wig as soon as I take this off. Like, but, you know, a break never hurted nobody. A break never hurt nobody, child. But this is the ponytail, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to the channel. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace. I'm out.